This is how to crochet the Picot stitch. Here I'm not talking about the cables, but I'm talking about the edges that are added. It's actually pretty simple, but it seems complicated when you read it or see it on a pattern. So here we are going to start with 2 single crochet, and then we're going to chain 3. From there, we're going to slip stitch back into that second single crochet. So we're going to take our hook and we're going to insert it from the center of the V down to the bottom to pick up that front loop. So here the tip of the hook's going in, and then we're going to yarn over, pull it through the stitch, and then I'm going to use my middle finger and thumb to twist the 3 chains so that the hook part can travel through the bottom of the upside down teardrop. It also helps to keep the tension on your index finger, the yarn that's feeding into your hook, a little loose so that the loop on the hook doesn't get too tight to be able to pull through for the slip stitch. So again, we're going to single crochet 2, chain 3, insert our hook into the center of the V to pick up that front loop, yarn over, pull it through the stitch, twist the 3 chains, and then pull that same loop through the loop on the hook. And that's how you do the Picot stitch. If you like close-up stitch tutorials like this, be sure to like and follow. And if you'd like to request a stitch yourself, you can leave that in the comments of any of my videos. Happy hooking!